Hello and welcome to this video. So you must have read several articles claiming that they can lead you to free IIT courses. Uh, they may be about cloud computing, data science, artificial intelligence. Now, but they fail to actually give you some useful information or some links. So you just close that article thinking it's fake in disappointment. Well, they are not lying, but they are not very uh, successful in making you believe. So in this video uh, I'll get you through the whole process of NPTEL courses. I'll tell you how to enroll in these, and I'll tell you how to get a certificate. Now I've written here that online certificates for free. Now I should have written online courses for free, because you can learn anything you want, you can watch the videos for free, but for certificates it's not free, and it's very cheap, to be honest. It's not like some companies charge you 10,000, or that's a lot of money. For NPTEL, this is a government initiative, so this is very cheap, so don't worry about this. Just keep watching. This is something not a lot of high schoolers know, so they are missing on a lot. So let me begin. Now, who provides these courses? Now, several IITs, IIT Roorkee, IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, they have their courses on this NPTEL. Not only computer science courses, every stream. So they have their courses on this platform NPTEL. NPTEL is the platform. Alright, like YouTube is a platform on which you are watching my videos. So similarly, NPTEL is a platform on which IIT provides these courses. Now let us move how to enroll in these courses. Now let me show you how to do that through this computer. So yes, open a search engine and then type NPTEL courses on Google. Now once you type this, you'll see that there's this website nptel.ac.in. Now this is also available for international students. All the courses are in English. I forgot to mention that earlier, so don't worry, all the courses are strictly in English. Everything is in English, so do not worry. Anyone can learn from these. Now that you have reached this website, remember this link. If you're watching this video in 2025 or something in a later year, so you must remember this link. Now what you need to do is you need to now be very careful in this. You don't have to click this NPTEL courses, you do not have to click this, you do not have to click this NPTEL online courses. For the complete list, you have to research, navigate through important announcements and click this final course list. Now this is the list for July term 2021. You might be watching this in some other time, so search for this final course list plus whatever is your semester. So final course list, click here. This is the link. A Google Doc would open. You can download the sheet. So as you can see, there are several courses in multiple disciplines. So aerospace engineering, agriculture engineering, but I promised you about artificial intelligence and cloud computing, something like that. So let us scroll down to computer science and engineering. Right now, this is somewhat important. Look here, cloud computing. But you can't just go on and start learning about cloud computing without having some knowledge about networking, how networks work, TCP/IP, something like that. So don't be too enthusiastic about this. First have some knowledge. Now let me get to more of this. Software engineering is there too. There's several courses. Introduction to machine learning. You must know mathematics. There is some specific field of mathematics you need to know before starting machine learning. Now we will move on to uh, Introduction to Quantum Computing. Now this is a course provided by IBM and IIT Madras as a coalition. So this is a new course. It is 4 weeks long, as you can see here. There are 12 weeks long courses too, 8 week long courses too, and this is a new course, and it starts August 23. Some courses have already started. So yes, so here you can see, and here's the link you have to click. This is the only link you should be concerned with, the first link. These are all old links, so click here. Now you can, as you can see, there is a button to join, but before that let me tell you some important stuff. As you can see, it's an elective. Now this is not important for you, elective or core. If you are a high schooler, you just want to learn, right? You need to update your profile for internships and job prospects, but just to give you an idea, elective is not compulsory courses in college. Now here you can see that this is counts for 1 credit points, and this is an AICTE approved apologies, this is an AICTE approved course, which means that wherever you are studying, the Indian government assures that this first credit uh, holds value. You can transfer it anywhere which recognizes this system, and all the Indian universities do recognize this system. About the international universities, I'm not sure, and all these courses are in English, so be sure of that, be mindful of that, because a lot of students from the south or some other state might be worried. Don't worry, this is all the courses here are strictly in English, there's I all the courses I have attended, don't think I have heard even one non-English word. I think there might be some, but for reference only. Alright, so some important stuff. As you can see the course layout. Also be sure to check out the prerequisites. Indian high schoolers know about this linear algebra. So yes, now for the certificate. Now this, I think, is the next slide. In this slide I just have to show you how to join. Now this is completely free. You can learn for free. There is no money involved. Just click join and log in through your Google account. They would ask you to fill in some very simple information about yourself. You know what, if you are confused with this, just tell me in the comment section, and I'll make a video for this also. Although this is just something which takes barely 5 minutes, very simple stuff they ask you. If you are a high schooler and are not able to navigate through this, just tell me in the comments. Even if I see one comment, I'll make a video about this. I'll try to make a video about this. Now, how do I earn a certificate? Well, as I said earlier, you can learn for free, completely for free, okay? But if you want a certificate, then you would have to give an offline exam. More emphasis on offline, which means you would have to go to an exam center, certified exam center, and give an exam there, pass on that, and then you can earn a certificate. So how much does this cost? 1000 rupees. Very cheap compared to the other online courses, which are at least 5000 rupees. They start from that. So comparatively to that, these are very cheap. Now what compares with this? I would say Coursera. Coursera has a wide variety of courses. Coursera is also very good. I would say better than NPTEL in a way, but right now we are watching about NPTEL, about the courses IIT offers, so I'll stick to that. Now this is a limited opportunity because most exam centers would be located in India, so foreign students can learn because these courses are in English, but you have to check if an exam center is present in your locality. For that, let me show you some important criteria in order to gain a certificate. So now we are back to this page, and as you can see here, this is the deadline. This course starts in 23rd August 2021. So, and there is a last date to enroll, which is 30 August, and so the last date to register for the exams is 23rd of October. So, and the cost is 1000 rupees. If you want a certificate, you can learn for free. So, and there is a criteria. So, as you can see, there are 4 weeks. Every week, at the end of watching the videos, you would have an assignment to complete. Okay, so these assignments are marked. So if this is a 4-week course, you would have 4 assignments, and there's a 3/4 ratio which is taken. So 3/4 of 4 would be, of course, 3. So 3 assignments out of 4 are taken into consideration, the top 3, in which you gain the top 3 marks, and this accounts for 25% of your total score. Alright, and the exam you give, the offline exam which you gave 1000 rupees for, this accounts for 75% of your total score. The final score would be this exam score plus the assignment score, and you have to be mindful that both of these are compulsory. So you need minimum of 10 out of 25 marks in this case in the assignments to pass. No matter how much you score in the exam, this is a minimum requirement. So be sure to do those assignments with seriousness, and also you need a minimum score in this exam, of course. So this is how you gain the certification. So concluding this video, thank you for watching, and if you are an international student and you are interested in applying to American colleges or universities, and also you need scholarships or financial aid, I am making a series on applying to American colleges and financial aid application. It's a step-by-step guide. It's very descriptive. I suggest you watch that, and also be mindful that let's say you want to start your university in September 2026. The deadline to apply in most US colleges would be 1st January 2026. So that's very early, 9 months prior. So you have to be careful about the deadlines. US takes an application very early and closes early too. A lot of you must be wondering, what about the spring semester? Well, US takes mostly in this fall semester. Now I should not talk much about this here. You can watch my American university series if you are interested in that. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this helpful and are excited to start these courses. Thank you for watching. Thank you.